How to redeem the Capital One shopping rewards. Hey guys, and let's get started. Capital One rewards are the credit card swipe, tap, dip, or online purchases option by which you can earn back a percentage of every dollar you spend in the form of cashback or miles. There are two ways by which you can use the Capital One rewards for shopping. The first one is via the Amazon.com, and the next one is using PayPal. For Amazon, you can pay for your Amazon.com orders by shopping and applying your rewards at checkout. Likewise, you can use your reward balance as payment method when checking out of online by adding your reward card to the PayPal wallet. But if you want to achieve it and redeem, for this first of all you have to sign in into your account online or via the Capital One mobile apps. After that, you have to go to the reward card section. Select on view rewards, and this way you will be prompted on how to use or how to redeem your rewards. For this, view your reward activity and connect it to PayPal and the Amazon.com itself. And this way you can redeem your shopping rewards. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.